Hi students, akwai unit 3 gi electrochemistry haina tamiba chapter sigi ko akwai makha tarak poina mamang da koi electrochemical series na kisingba koi na ba loikre so adugi makha tarak poina koi Nernst equation se amutang yeng si ko Nernst equation habisi kaino aduga kari gidamakta develop tawraino aduga kari oina mase calculate taw matamda kamaina sijinage habdo koi yengminasi Nernst equation ji yongse Nernst propose an equation ko to relate the electrode potential of an electrode to relate the electrode amagi potential se koi kadroba electrode to the combine relate or for example EMF of the cell se sibuni haise ko an equation ni kaidongna ba mangasagi electrode potential sing dugi natragana EMF of the cell dugi EMF to with electrolytic concentration to the yauriba EMF to natragana koi electrode ki potential difference to adugi khetnaba natragana aduda piba EMF ko natragana cell potential dubu puthoknabagidamukta piba is the type of equation amani ko aduna yengsi he saw that for an electrode reaction means half reaction amagi ko electrode reaction electrode potential akoi hana khangre so electrode ama akoina electrolyte ta mayamagi mahi duda their own solution duda electrode ama lupa matamda kamaina react tawi or what are the equation or means oxidize or reduce ko adum du yeng bai wani so magi equation sida koi electrolyte to the koi metal ion ama yaure ko aduga then electron gain taroba matungda so it becomes metal solid means electrode form that napsalakpa ko electrolyte the yauriba metal ion singdu after gaining the electrons so they reduce to the metal electrode koi ko reduce to metal electrode oina tore aditadi electrode to give potential at any concentration je kaina piba yage hamatamda so e metal Mn plus reduce to kanada reduce form dani e se m da ko aduna this E naught habani ko E naught Mn means E reduction standard reduction potential habani habidi kaino standard sida naught na ta is standard habidi kaino hamatamda concentration of the electrolyte to it should be unity oigadamni means 1 mole ko koi 1 mole loraba aduga nangi ngasagi temperature do at around 298 kelvin ko adudu leiraga koina lowgiba magi koi electrode to gi potential du ne ko that standard form da adubuni koina sida E naught na represent toise minus RT R means real gas constant so that temperature lere F is the koi Faraday ko N is the number of electrons either gain or loss toribudu ko aduga ln means natural logarithm so concentration of the m divided by concentration of Nn plus this is the reduced form and this one is the oxidized form habidi kaino hamatamda nangi ngasagi standard value dudagi electrode amagi potential se at any concentration change togodoni but E naught it cannot be changed the concentration ko 1 mole lay matamda phangiba magi electrode ki potential ne minus si ki value sing se koi khaidoga phangane ko aduna koi yengse makhada sina just akoi electrode amagi mana piba potential duni koi mathakta ngasai kai igeba sida natural logarithm reduce divided by akoi kai oxidize ko electron loss togiba concentration of the electron loss and the concentration of the reduction ko since the concentration of the any solid is taken as unity the above equation becomes habidi kaino hamatamda koi ngasai sida mathakta iriba concentration of the metal reduce from the oirakanda koi sigi metal se it becomes metal solid on thore ko solid on thorakpada de koina magi concentration je kaina loge hamatamda unity ni hena lowe means 1 nena aduna now the above equation becomes E naught RT and F ln 1 by concentration of the reduced ko so E naught is the standard electrode potential ni khoi ngasa hai gi R is the real gas constant so my value sida pire and Faraday gina 96500 coulomb ko sile then temperature in terms of Kelvin da Mn is the concentration of the species ko sini koi na piri se now sigi square bracket na min to is a concentration have the concentration of the Mn plus species ko sigi ne akoina hojik amuk mathakta piriba ngasagi metal singi magi electrode ki potential du natragana electrode equation du akoi hoji makhada example oina Daniell cell da apply toroge yengsi ko now akoi Daniell cell da sumaina electrode reaction makhan ani lai ko sonda na kedaroba akoi oxidize torani sonda na kedaroba reduce torani ko this is the oxidize and this is reduced cell potential du kanana samba electrolyte to salt bridge na koi soin sami ko salt bridge na aduga electrode ani du na through wire gi mateng na soin samba now koi sigi Daniell cell sida yengsi Daniell cell da koi na oxidize da kana lawi zinc lawi ko aduga sonana kana lauba copper rod electrolyte na kana lauba copper nitrate sida kari zinc nitrate ko soin lawe now ko yeng se dudi 8 cathode ta koi kana leire sondana 8 cathode 4 cathode ta koi now copper leirabani na kedoge hamatam da copper se magi solu electrolyte yauje se Cu2 plus ko so when copper gain 2 electrons it reduced to the copper solid ko copper solid reduce tawni adu ita di magi cathode leiriba metal electrode ki e cell se koi kamai irani ngasai mathak ta pi gi ba sigi form gi sumaina koi e not copper se reduce tawre so adu ke darba rt by twice f ln 1 by q means copper shape it becomes copper solid olak target 1 na lakane then anode to so koi chamana na zinc ki da su ire so zinc to su chamana number of electrons to zinc na kya pithorakpa 2 electrons copper na kya gain tawba 2 electrons so number of electrons to koi n gi mahuta 2 na e ni ko sida 2 na e se 2 na e se adu targa dia koi hozik sigi ani se anode ki keno phange electrode ki magi potential gi keno phange cathode ki su phange now koi e cell potential whole sigi system cell ama sigi ko cell ama sigi magi potential phange hai tadi now these two electrode potential ani se mabani ki difference na phangdoi ni mabani khena buduna ko aduna khoi ngasai ke na pigre e cell equal to e cathode minus e anode haibani or e right minus e left right ta hoji kana lere so copper lere left ta kana lere hoji zinc lere ko aduna khoi e cell equal to e copper ko ngasai copper gi then e zinc khoi e re sida adu tadi copper gi ngasai mathaki magi formula du sida leriba copper gi sinjan biro so sibok sinjan bire aduga minus again zinc ki do koi zinc ki hapsan matam da ke draba si se plus sign on gani ko kari ge minus na negative sign ja hang tora poni na so zinc ki sida leire ani je huji ke doroge ha matam da rearrange toroba matung da rearrange toroba matung da so copper gi leire zinc ki leire aduga minus si sing je koi ln ke ga se koi lautho matung da huji equation ji kari la age ha matam da e cell e naught rt twice f ln ko aduga si minus si de akoi divide tawbaga mane ko log ani khaidoknaba haibase log yenabaga mane aduna khoi kai dadoiba ln ko ln 1 by copper divided by 1 by zinc ana tadoni so zinc che mathak da kara ani aduga kai daroba copper na makhara kumani this is the full cell reaction ne khoi sida iri se ko adu si iba matam sida hoji akhoina khangi se kaino whole cell sigi punna yengakpa matamda e cell se khoi kamaina su iba yage ha matamda e cell equal to ko e not cell minus rt and f se dum lejarni rt and to and f means twice f ko aduga ln sigi zinc se khoi ke daraba ngasai concentration of the oxidized means zinc se khoi oxidized tawni hydra aduna concentration of the oxidized divided by concentration of the reduce hainasu sometimes akoi iba yayeba ko so sida akoi particular oina akoi zinc and the copper lorabana zinc ki then copper gi haina akoi ire kanada apply toraba Daniell cell se as an example oina lorabana ko so sigi akoi r gi value se is a constant ni aduga Faraday gi so at constant ni ko aduga temperature kai ka mayam sing se loina hapa matungda akhoina kaidoge hamatamda magi value se kya phangage hamatamda 0.059 sida lairiba natural logarithm ln se koi karigumba log to onthokninge haitadi ln equal to kaya manage hamatamda 2.303 into log ko log 10 or any number those to multiply siga managani habako koi natural logarithm se koi na log to onthoke haitadi you should multiply it by 2.303 na multiply tawni now adugi value mayam sing to constant value mayam sing to calculate tor matungda E cell of the Daniell cell se khoi huji kamai phangye E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by 2 log zinc ion and a copper ion. Concentration of the zinc ion and the copper ion si form phangye ko. Now si da khoi Daniell cell gini mathangda amuk general oina electrochemical reaction da khoi kamai pige have du yengsi. Say A have a stoichiometry A have a reactant amaga B have a reactant ani sim koi react tawre so C and D form tawre ko aduna koi Nernst equation gi matung ina kai hage ha matamda E cell equal to E naught cell koi sai mathak te igi to minus RT and F lejare so ln Q na koi form jo phong do pa yai ko Q means kai no ha matamda akoi reaction coefficient haibani ko reaction quotient haibani ko aduna sina ta isi coefficient haibate reaction quotient haiba sorry reaction quotient sida mana kai hage hamatam da koi concentration of the product ko reaction concentration of the product divided by concentration of the reactants haiba ko sina divide to o haiba neba q se or sometimes akoi sigi reaction quotient se kai ga su mana ge hamatam da akoi keno ga su manai marak amada akoi kari kari equilibrium constant ko equilibrium constant kc duga ko equilibrium constant ga su sometimes mane karam equilibrium constant sina karam kande apply tauge hamatam da when the reaction do not at a equilibrium position your akanda at equilibrium point so we can apply the kc ko aduga reaction quotient sina karam kande apply tauge hamatam da at any concentration da including akoi equilibrium yauna ke doge hamatam da at any concentration da Q se apply to yai have ko so koi Q do aduda si product la isi ke darba C and D so concentration of the C concentration of the D product ki ko then reactants ki adugo magi coefficient la riba C and D duna at the power da koi kare now sigi general equation da si lai jare aduga koi equilibrium constant for the Nernst equation da amu apply Nernst equation ka nagi Daniell cell da koi apply to ri yenge so koi mamang do hot khre E cell equal to E naught cell ko E cell se 0 tagani have ne same bagi ko adu kamaina no yengsi E cell equal to E naught cell 2.303 RT by twice F ko log si my concentration kaino do p ba mathak ta p ba Daniell cell gi khoi already puthoki ba sigi kaino si lere equation si lejare ko adu E cell equal to 0 ne e si kai no ha matam da Daniell cell se when at an equilibrium position dal yaur akan di equilibrium point si yaur akan di kai doge ha matam da magi value se akoi 0 ta ka ni ha ni E cell gi value se ko aduna we can find out the value of the E naught cell ko aduna se akoi sida ibire E naught cell se akoi uji kana ga manare 2.303 RT by twice F haibdi kai no da akoi E cell du ngasai si se minus le ram bu sona thang do ka di ke tore so positive value da koi si tare E naught cell le jaure but at equilibrium position the concentration of the Z2 plus and the copper ion se ke darba Kc na represent to yare ko aduna Kc se akoi hapa kan di ke dore the concentration of the zinc ion and the copper ion se ki mahutta akoi huji kana iba yare akoi huji Kc iba yare ko so akoi na E naught cell se value kya phangage ha matam da 1.1 volt phange habane ko E naught cell se aduna sida pire so akoi E naught cell gi value phangabani na hojike dore E naught cell gi value da hapo ko sida rearrange to ba haitare ko 1.1 volt equal to 0.059 divided by 2 ko that log Kc means equilibrium constant do aduna Kc equal to kamai on thokpa yare sidi log Kc equal to so 2 so na multiply to 1.1 volt into 2 divided by kai iduba 0.059 volt ko so aduna khoi sida piriba equation sineba sigi equation se ko adudagi calculator matungda 37.288 tare ko now akhoi si 37.288 se again log se muk lobu matam da kai daroba se log inverse lobu matam da log se sona la ni ko log inverse lo ni so adugi value se 2 into 10 to the power 10 to the power 37 habi tai Canada at 298 Kelvin da ko sisini. Now in general the E naught cell se khoi sumaina dum iba yare habasina. This is the equation for the E naught cell puthokpagi ko sumaina E standard ki ama leijare. Aduga makhada electrochemical cell and the Gibbs energy of the reaction ki khoi next button session da amuk yengsi ko.